You know, welcome to an unboxing of the Logitech 710 Plus mechanical gaming keyboard. One of the best I've ever seen. I've never used a mechanical keyboard before, but I've always wanted one because right now, what I've been using is the original Dell keyboard for about good 6 years, and look at the state of that. You see a lot of the stains here, a lot of mixtures of different types of stains, and I'll leave it for you guys in the comment section. Let me know what kind of stains these are. Now, one of which quite obvious, but anyway, you know, it is what it is. It's gone through a lot, but unfortunately now it's starting to die out on me. It's one of the reasons why I bought the mechanical keyboard these days, because I want to start doing a lot of gaming on the PC as well, but a variety of games, you know. So, alright, let's just open this box. It came up in this box. I don't even know if this is the keyboard, right? Because I haven't even opened it yet. So, one hand unboxing, brothers. If this brother can hold the camera, brother. Alright, there we go. See, hey, don't block the microphone. You're blocking the microphone. Alright, okay. Let me. How do you open this? See, I've always struggled to open boxes in the past, but this one should be easy. Alright, that's one side. This another. Alright, so this keyboard should be really good. Alright, there we go. This ain't hard. Oh shit! Oh no, man. See, sometimes you get paranoid when you open up boxes because there might be wires hanging about all over the place, and if you cut it with the scissors, that's it, man. You're gonna send the product back and all sorts. Alright. There we go, lads. So what it is that we should have. Oh, this is beautiful. So it's the Logitech G series. Oh my beautiful lord. Alright, let's open this up real quick. I probably should have done this unboxing after taking it out from the cardboard box, but alright, let's start ahead. And we got this plastic slit. I want to try and keep this box for memory, also just in case I break this shit, so I send it back. Come on, lads. There we go, that's one side. Wait, it doesn't really matter, does it, what side it is? There we go. Let's just get it back from this side. See, there's always been problems with me in boxes. Okay, wait. There we go, see? You gotta put minimum effort to get the maximum from. Okay, that's beautiful. Here we go. Now, are you serious right now? Now we're gonna go for 2 obstacles. This is some next agility course, lads. See, right here. You know what? I might as well use goddamn scissors. What am I thinking? What am I thinking? Do you know what I mean? What am I thinking? See that? Scissors, man. That's the dirty work for you. Oh, look at that, beautiful. So it's a mechanical. Oh my lord! Holy shit! This is a tank. Okay, this is big. All right. This is so big. Oh shit. Let's open it real quick. Get out of the box. Oh, there we go. Yes, lads. Holy fish. This is one hell of a heavy keyboard, you know. There's the manual, guides. Yeah. This is the wrist pad. There we go. It connects onto that. Everything else is out. What's this? Alright, cool. You get inside the box. Alright, now what we got is let's get the scissors out of the way because you don't want to cut no wires around here, you know what I mean? Alright, let's take this out real quick. I'll just quickly set this up onto the computer as well to give you guys that first impressions or the first clicks typing. There we go. Alright, that's one. That's another. Holy fish. This is beautiful, you know that, lads. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, where do I exit this from? There we go. Hopefully it's from this side, I'm doing it right. Yeah. Okay, this is. There we go. Wait, who's robbing that house? Yes. I got to open it like that. There we have it, folks. Oops. So we got the volume here. Holy fish. Yes, that's what I wanted. It's not as loud. Well, it is kind of loud, but the extra macro keys on that G1, G2, G3, up to G6, brothers. Got the lighting here. Mute button here. Alrighty, now let me set this up. Right, so here's the difference in size and quality and whatnot. Like, it's ridiculous, right? I mean, obviously, the G series is slightly longer, but that's because of the extra keys. But the state of this keyboard would never be like it on the G series. I would never put no stains like this. No, that's it, for real. Look at this. I mean, just look at that focus. It's, oh my god, that's ridiculous. You know, people, when they were actually using my keyboard, when they came to my house, they were actually having to use it with tissue around their fingers. They actually never touched the keys. I mean, I wouldn't blame them, to be honest. But they ain't gonna be doing that anymore with this keyboard, to be, you know. It is what it is. All right, let's try and cut this up. Well, there you have it, folks. The Logitech keyboard is fully set up. I'm gonna buy a new mouse as well. But yeah, it's looking good at the moment. So you can change the brightness level of the keyboard. From the WASDs just to, well, the WASD and the arrows. So you just have the arrows and WASD off. And you have the keyboard fully off as well for the white light. For the nighttime use. When you gotta turn off the lights. And there you have it. The unboxing of the Logitech G710 Plus. Decent keyboard. Well, I can't really tell how it is right now, but it feels good. It feels good with the typing. Alright, see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Show you sign out. Good night, peace. Yeah!